Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So here we have a radio control Ford Mustang. It's come from Extreme Machines. I saw this on eBay and I thought it'd be an interesting video to do for you guys. It's a little bit different to my photography videos that I've been doing of late on the technology channel, and I thought we'd bring this to you. This is a US made product. So it has come from America, made in America, more than likely probably subcontracted to China at some point. But just to let you know, included is a new quick charger and a 7.2 volt battery pack, as well as a controller as well. It requires two AA batteries for the controller, obviously not included. And it has a reasonably nice controller, I believe, but we'll find that out when we've opened it up. So this is an unboxing to show you what we have. The Ford Mustang, it's like an orange yellow colour. That may not come out in the video very clear, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like. We'll have a closer look at it obviously when I get it out of the box, but for now I just want to show you what's included in the box. In terms of the scale, it's a 1.10, so it is a large scale radio control RC car. So let's just see what comes up with. Just to let you know, in the box description included a new quick charger and 7.2 volt battery pack. It requires two AA batteries for the controller, and obviously the controller is included in this package, and it comes from Extreme Machines. So let's have a look in more detail when we unbox it. Hopefully you can see that in the video. We just want to get it out of the box, which isn't always straightforward. See if we can pull it out as we can. Yes, it's coming out, no problem. And there we go. So if you're wondering, I picked this up from a seller on eBay. I was thinking it'd be nice to have a bit of a play around with a radio control car in my garden, on my driveway, something that's a bit larger than the Night Rider radio control car, and the I've got also an 18 van as well. Check my channel out if you want to see those, because a lot of people seem to be interested in those two reviews that I did. But in regards to what it looks like, I thought I'd give you a bit of a look-see on the back of it. Has very large wheels, and I won't say much of tyre, but they are rubber, not plastic. I don't think they're plastic. Yeah, they're rubber tyres. But I'll give you a closer look of this when we've opened it up. But let's just see if we can take it off. Normally they tie it in. Yeah, there's a controller there with a zip tie on the back, so you can see from the back of it. There you go, the controller is there. Let's just see if we can open this up, because it's not so easy. Right, there we go, we've got the controller. It's not a heavy duty controller, it's just a cheap one. But then again, you don't always need a fancy expensive one. It feels a bit plasticky, not great quality if I'm honest with you. It's 2.4 gigahertz, the controller, and it's got a wheel, so basically you control it like that by turning it. So that's the controller. Doesn't feel very good quality. To be honest, these cheap ones never feel that great, but it's the car that matters really. We're not too bothered about the controller. So let's just see what we've got in here. As you'll normally find, they always package the batteries separately to try and safeguard your safety. So we have a battery here, which is a NiCad type rechargeable battery, 7.2 volt. It's pretty generic here. Just looks like 6 cells in this battery pack. So obviously I can't say it'll probably run for a long time. But we just need to there's some screws in the back of that. I don't know if you can tell there. to get it out of the box, so we need to unscrew it. So we've just taken these screws out of underneath the cardboard, which secures the car to the actual box. So hopefully we can get that out as such. And there you go. That's the car. This is a quite a nice looking vehicle. Got a nice bump at the front to protect it. And obviously you can't really say much about it. It's just a nice looking RC Mustang car. There you go. We do have a little instruction booklet here, which more or less just briefly tells us how to install the batteries and get this set up. So let's jump outside and see how it actually works on the driveway, and see how this nice car performs. So we're going to test out that Ford Mustang toy car. It comes with a plastic controller. It's not great quality, if I'm honest with you, but it'll do the job. As said, I felt this was made in China, and it is. So it says Gudong Xinyi Crafts and Toys Company Limited, made in China. So there you go, made in China. So we have the car here. This is the Mustang toy car that we've got. It looks quite nice, doesn't it? We just want to see how it does driving around. It does have LEDs, lights on the front and some LED lights on the back. I thought we'd just see how it does on the patio here. It has rubber tyres on there, and we've charged the battery up a little bit, and then we'll see how it does and just see how it drives around. It's not super fast. It's designed for children, so you may find this video quite informative. You can get different ones like this, like Vipers, Porsches, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and this is obviously the Ford Mustang model. So without further ado, let's just see how it does on the actual patio. Looks quite nice. It's a 1.10 scale modelled, so it's quite large, as you can see. I'm holding it, so that's more or less gives you an idea on scale, you know. So without further ado, let's see how it does on the patio.